Introduction to exporting an AutoCAD drawing as a Google Earth KML file. Hello everyone. Welcome to this series of videos on ESurvey KML. In this series of help videos, you will learn how easily you can convert an AutoCAD drawing into a KML file and vice versa. Demo. Converting any drawing into a KML file. Converting any drawing into a KML file can be done in a single step using ESurvey KML, provided the drawing is already in the correct UTM coordinates. When the drawing is in UTM coordinates, select Export Entities to KML from the ESurvey CAD menu or type KMLE at the command prompt. Select the entities such as text, lines, points, and polylines that you want to convert into a KML file. The KMLE command will prompt you to provide the zone value and hemisphere value. In this example, the location is in North Karnataka, where the zone value is 43 and the hemisphere is north. Once these inputs are provided, the software will prompt you with the message. Do you want to open the drawing in Google Earth? If you specify O, the KML file will be created and automatically opened in Google Earth. Isn't that super simple? In the next chapter, you will learn moving drawing entities to exact UTM coordinates. Finding the zone value of any location in Google Earth. Creating a KML file in Google Earth. Converting a Google Earth KML file to an AutoCAD drawing. Creating a latitude-longitude grid to extract elevations. Extracting elevations from Google Earth. Finding the latitude and longitude of a point in an AutoCAD drawing. Locating a point in a drawing using latitude and longitude values. Converting latitude and longitude to UTM coordinates. Converting UTM coordinates to latitude and longitude. Creating impressive 3D KML files by converting any drawing into KML. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.